So on these Samsung side-by-sides, the very common issue is these messing up. Mine actually completely broke. Got completely corroded in ice, and somebody obviously tried to put a heat gun to it and melted it, so we're gonna get rid of it. So all you do to remove this is just lift up and pull out. You got a Phillips head holding this cover on the wire. Just pull towards you. Long one, pop that out. Across the front, freezer, alarm. There, we're gonna shut the refrigerator off. Alright, so it's gonna be frozen, so pull that down and get that oven out of the way. And now, hoping I can get it out. There's ice built up over there. Alright, sorry about all the cuts, but I had to melt as much ice as I can off there. So anyways, now if you have that Phillips head screw, you're going to remove that. And then you're going to take this, we're going to slide this over to the right, pull down, there's the tab over here. Again, this one's all melted, so I'm going to have to yours is probably going to be a lot easier than mine. Because again, someone melted this. So here we go. There, now we did that. I'm going to lower it down. I'm going to put the heat back on it, and there's a bunch of ice back there. I'm going to go ahead and try to melt off. There we go. I got a lot of it melted. I'm going to move on now. Here's your little cooling coil. You gotta slightly get it below those plastic, right here, plastic things, so that we can get it past it. Okay, now with even more ice melted, sorry so many cuts, like I said, this is frozen up solid, which yours might be too, so this might be even more helpful for you. So once you get enough ice freed out, you're going to take this and push this in, pull out towards you, which will unlock it. There we go. Which that frees up the whole assembly. Now you're going to want to come up. We got to get oh, put it back in there. We got to get it out without damaging that coil. So we just slide it out. And this here's that coil I was talking about. So I'm gonna get the rest of the ice build up out of there and get ready for the new one. And here on this new one, this will give you a better look at that clip that you need to, when you move it over to the side and open it, it gives you a better look on what it's supposed to look like. We just install. But you'll be having two hands, so it'll be a lot easier for you. Go up with the coil in between. Now we're gonna get the top locked in first. Set up there, lock in. Take the coil and push it back up into place. Then we're gonna, now that we know that goes up, perfect. And we're gonna replace that Phillips head screw. Now it's time to snake around this new wiring. back in those, the wire guides. Then you're gonna take the wire cover. Perfect. And then add your last Phillips head screw right there. I take the whole ice mask itself. Hold freezer and alarm. Turn that back on. All right. We'll make sure they're both on, and we'll come back. We'll come back. I don't know, maybe a couple hours or so, and check back in on it.